Welcome to Early Bird Estate Liquidations. We are still in the process of setting up for this weekend's sale, but thought I would try to give you a quick video preview of what you can expect this weekend. Lots of great high-end designer furniture. Some really unique rattan wicker set here. Nice wrought iron patio set. Gorgeous blue onion style set. Loads and loads of cake plates from Austria, Germany, England, you name it. Some great metalware, figurines, teacups from all over the world. Furniture. The big 60-inch Mitsubishi. That's 3D capable, by the way. The biggest collection of Victorian milk glass I have ever seen in my life. Decanters, vanities, jars. Very unique pieces in here. Some wonderful figurines. There's some great Murano there. Large collection of brass glass and brass and beveled glass and brass and stained glass cases. Unique stuff. They collected items from all over. Some luster, some Yadros. Wait till you see all of the early American pressed glass and crystal. There's probably at least 50 patterns represented here. There's some Royal Staffordshire. As you can see, candlewick, quilted, frosted, wonderful selection. More teacups, resting on an Italian marble top lyre table. Matching. This is a great piece of furniture here, as well as the dining room set. Inside this cabinet, Carnival, Depression, Opaline. Like I said, we're still setting up. Quick preview of some smalls. Some collector plates. Lots of floor figures. Lots of Capodimani, including the old marks. We have about 20 king-size sheet sets. This is a gorgeous lane table. As is this gorgeous provincial bedroom set. Look at the wood on there. Been protected by doilies its whole life. Speaking of doilies, there's loads of lace runners. This is just a small portion, folks. Another king-size bed. The doll room. Some nice samplers. Nice assortment of antique. vintage. Shirley Temple and the Dion Quince up there. Great modern and antique. A couple replicas. And more character bears, figures, dolls. And if you have the Shirley Temple Danbury Mint boxes, you're in luck. I mean, if you have the dolls, you're in luck, because we have the boxes for you. Come get them. I really have to highlight these two pieces. They were purchased in Fort Pierce at an antique auction. They were a Romanian doctor's, and supposedly he brought them over in the late 1800s. Look at the top on this. Beautiful. This cute little table. Original hardware. All brass edging. Neat piece. Neat piece. Wanted to show you the dining room table again. In the kitchen, besides the mess, everything is in such wonderful condition. There's some great Pyrex, some great dish sets. Pretty complete too. They didn't throw anything away. Spice corning, cornflower blue corning, great metal, Christmas, Johnson Brothers, sunflowers. And welcome back. Just a quick viewing of all of the die cast, and I think that not all of them are down in this room yet. Did you get an idea? It's quite a selection. And again, I'm reminding you that we're not quite set up all the way. This was a last minute deal, and we've done the best we can in a short amount of time. Every hit movie you can imagine, from comedy to drama to, there's even a couple horrors in there. We're getting there. A whole Shirley Temple collection, movie collection. And if you don't have anything to put all these movies in when you buy them, we do. Here is the Montgomery Ward. And the Troy-Bilt. Very low hours on the Troy-Bilt. 42-inch deck. It's ready to rock and roll. Okay, so for those who are interested in the boy toys or tomboy toys, as you can see, there is a garage full. If there's any size you can imagine or need of anything, it's probably here. Drilling and masonry to plumbing and electrical, fasteners, power tools, home and garden, electrical, might have already said that. For those who like the vintage, there's even some of that. Check out the collection of C-clamps. There's some great advertising in there too. This is its own little hardware store, really. Come make a bundle. Build your own bundle for cheap. We are willing to dicker. There's a nice generator down there. You can't see it. It's a Dakota. Lots of toolboxes from rolling to stationary. As we go through the garage, we go into what was the train room that was donated to the train museum in Ocala. You can see some mountains on the wall. And as I'm repeating myself, but we are still prepping a lot of this area. There's a lot of stuff, but I just wanted to give you a quick glance. These are really cool. You need a couple white well, you can paint them any color, but those are columns for your front porch or your house. Lots of galvanized and copper piping. Cool Gothic lighting. Another wall of cars. That gives you an idea. I forgot the other part of the garage. This is sort of the woodworking shop. So there's your sign. There's a lot of woodworking stuff in here. Sorry if I'm moving fast. Scraps of wood. If you like to fiddle with wood in your hands, then you need to be at this sale. Very cool service box. And another curio had cars in it. Lots of stuff. One more look at the drafting table. He was, in fact, a contractor, builder, drafter. It's a nice quality drafting arm there. Some more building items outside. Scrap wood, scrap metal, and actual full sheets. Every nook and cranny. These babies are for sale too. Look at the size of the trunk in that pot. Easy transplant. Some fencing. More galvanized pipe. Chain link fencing, posts. That's it. See you there.